What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to look at 3 coins I think are very appealing right now. Maybe some of them you don't know about, but it would be worth digging into and doing a bit of due diligence on. Quick recap as well on the market right now, the live cryptocurrency charts, market data. Blockchain as an asset class is hovering around $2 trillion right now of valuation. So yeah, we didn't even hit like an all-time high just yet. And this is what really does lead me to excitement. And we do know that usually October is such a bullish month for cryptocurrency historically. So my gut feeling tells me the market is warming up. We're in the first major correction of this particular market cycle. And I do think we will break through to 3.5, 4.5 and maybe even $5 trillion of valuation. Anyways, guys, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button if you want to hit your crypto goals. And let's look at coin number 1, which is Gate token. So this is a coin I recently stumbled across just doing some research myself. The first thing I notice is, well, 300 million max and total supply on GT tokens. And the second thing I notice is just the overall uptrend here on the year. You can see from 2023, last sort of October, about 11 months ago, it was pricing at $3.68. Since then, it's up 2x and holding really well at a 2x plus. And you can see this market capital is clearly in a solid uptrend as well. And even on the all-time data here from 2019, this coin is still on an uptrend. And nobody really talks about this token. So it's one that kind of tickled my interest, I suppose, a little bit. You can see on the 7 days, fantastic price action from $7.10 up to $7.72. So Gate token, what is it? Gate chain is a public blockchain which facilitates digital asset transfers and claims to be dedicated to asset safety. The network's native token is Gate token, which is GT. And I did check out the website, just was curious. You can see it's got some writing that clearly I can't understand. I could probably translate it to English, but we're going to keep it in its original format for now. So this is the website. It doesn't look super pretty, but it does say it's a secure, scalable, and interoperable public chain. Gate chain is a next generation public blockchain. So pretty cool thing. The ecosystem is vibrant. You can see the developers here. It's KYC'd, it is doxed, and market accessibility. They do have a pretty nice chunk of accessibility there across a broad horizon of tier 2 exchanges. So yeah, no Binance, no Coinbase, nothing big like that. But this is a coin that does make me curious because it does just look like it's got a decent price action structure behind it at the moment. So that is something that I've not really seen before based on this coin. So good tokenomics, good circ supply. You're looking at around a third of the overall total supply in circulation. Of course, make sure you look at the supply schedules to see when those token releases are. And it just could be a good coin to potentially diversify into a little bit. Looking at the overall price action for GT token, again, it's just literally up, and up. I don't really know how else to say it. From 2019, holders that got in early are in a fantastic position, and there's not really been a colossal correction here. Holders from 2019 are up a 15x. Holders from the bear market of last year are up 178%. And I do think we are on the verge of seeing a breakout here in this symmetrical triangle pattern. Of course, it's speculation. It's not financial advice as well, but we are seeing that recoil here. We're seeing that tension between the support and the resistance barrier here for this coin. And I do think bull market targets, pragmatically speaking, the 2618 Fibonacci, when we hit euphoria, retail FOMO, we should be at least targeting that 2618 area, which would lead us to around $17. And I think, this is a fair play. This is a fair target here. That would lead to a 2.5x, which would bring the MC up to roughly $2 billion, which isn't actually a crazy amount either. That's a realistic number. So coin number 1 will go to Gate token. If you do want to buy some of this coin, be sure to use my MEXC or KSEX link down below, where you can obtain some of this token should you wish. You're going to get sign-up bonuses and save money on taker and maker fees. Coin number 2 is another one that you guys probably know by now, and Mark Cuban, legendary investor, very wealthy entrepreneur, is bullish on this coin. And we were just saying yesterday how Aave is about to go up in price, and it has. It was going up from $138 to $150, which is really good to see, and is a coin that is slowly coming back out of its lull. Not many people are talking about it, which is a good thing. Do I think it's going to get back to like an all-time high by unit cost? Probably not. But do I think we can see a $4, $5, $6 billion market capital out of Aave? Then I think yes, we probably could. So Aave is the full power of DeFi. Aave is the world's largest liquidity protocol where you can basically supply, borrow, swap, stake, and more. Very cool DeFi lending protocol. So total supply is 16 million Aaves, 14.9 million are in circulation. Market accessibility is really big with this one. You're on Binance, you're on Coinbase. Again, if you want to grab it, the links are down below. So this is another one I'm absolutely bullish on. And just looking at Aave, like I say, we've been looking at this just yesterday on the channel. We broke out from this particular descending triangle. As we can see here, right here, we had horizontal on the support at $118. We broke out of this resistance at 136. And the special thing here is we've retested now twice the $150 region. And we're on that second retest. So if we do pull back a bit to $140, that's okay. Then we might make some headway up to 160, 165. But I think Aave is one of these coins that realistically, in the next decade or so, with enough eyes, with enough TVL and just growth in general, we should be looking at some very, very big numbers. My target for the upcoming bull run on this coin is $900 to $1,100. Yes, it's not quite a 10x. For this bull run, I do think in the next decade, absolutely a 10x, but we should be at least targeting a 5x over here for Aave. Points of interest in terms of accumulation for the next bear market coming round. What levels are good to note down? When should we potentially be buying back into Aave? Well, for me, we can really see that for Aave, the $50 price region holds incredible levels of support. And if we do get back there, we'd be very, very lucky. It's probably unlikely now. The next area of major support is really hard to say. You could use your fibs on the 0.786 and argue that maybe that is going to be about $70 for the next sort of golden pocket of accumulation. So keep your eyes out on the bear run for $70. And at the moment, we can't really focus on those numbers because it's not realistic to see them. But overall, I'm pretty bullish on the whole sort of Aave thing right now. And this momentum is looking really, really strong. Also, guys, just wanted to say, if you haven't become a patron yet and you do want to unlock some signals, we have unlocked some more spaces. If you want to get trading signals like the ones you see on the screen right here, which will help you make money, achieve time, location, financial freedom, check out the Patreon down below where you become a VIP in the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord. This will help you, of course, trade, learn about crypto, be educated, and also access alpha calls in the crypto market. So yeah, thanks again for all the new people. You guys are sick. Got 11 slots left on the Crypto Champion, and then I've got 9 left on the Crypto Warrior over here. So different tiers, different benefits, whichever you prefer, you can check out yourself with the Patreon link down below. Coin number 3 is going to be ICP. ICP is another one that's had a rapid recoil to the upside from $6.98, just basically a few weeks ago, a few days ago, really, all the way creeping up to a decent price. So yeah, a few days ago it was in the $7. It's now working its way up into the 8s, the 9s. Looking at the year price action, the all-time high was $20. So we're still in those kind of like lows where potentially it could be good to accumulate. Of course, ICP has been completely diluted from the launch. So many coins were released, boom, you see the price structure come down like the way it has. So yeah, really crazy to see that. A lot of exit liquidity, unfortunately, but we're sitting at $4 billion market cap. I do think an $8 to $12 billion market cap is realistic to at least target for the upcoming bull run. This here, ICP, it says compute reinvented. The internet computer enables you to build anything without traditional IT and big tech. It hosts decentralized serverless compute that's simpler. So yeah, that's a tongue twister right there. So this is their Twitter with 700,000 followers, pretty big to see as well. And it just could be another one of those ecosystems that does deliver a 3 to 10x in the future. Of course, you want to learn to take profits. You've got to get in the notion of taking profits. Don't be like, oh, if the price is going up, it's going to keep on going up, so I must not sell. You've got to get into the habit of using and utilizing this bull market as an exit strategy, not as a I must buy more and hold more, okay? Those days are done. This is now about looking for targets to get out of the market and start accumulating in the next bear market. Anyways, guys, reminder, October coming very, very soon with 2 weeks out. October is coming in 2 weeks. The market should recoil very, very nice and bullish by then. I expect green markets for sure. The crypto fear and greed index, we're getting a little bit warmer. 37 now in these markets. Still fearful, not quite where we want to be, but looking better. And remember, guys, on the 200-week moving average here, the golden accumulation zone for Bitcoin was actually $17,000. We also had another one at $26,000. Currently, we're not in that golden DCA region, so we've still got to be careful with where we are spending. But overall, I think we're in a good place, and we can use tools like this in the future to help us accumulate properly. If you want to find out more about when to buy Bitcoin stuff, do subscribe, like, comment, and make sure you check out these tokens if they do interest you. And do, of course, find yourself within the Jacob Crypto clan. Just come and say hello, introduce yourself, or just hang out with us guys. There's over 20,000 amazing people in this Discord now, and I will be very, very happy to see some more faces in there. Bye for now, stay crypto safe, and remember, this is not financial advice. Latest, peace.